Garam masala is a blend of grounded spices originating from South Asia, which is common in Indian, Pakistani, Nepalese and Bangladeshi cuisines. The composition of garam masala differs regionally and is used alone or with other seasonings. Let's see what ingredients we need. We need cinnamon 150 grams, cardamom 100 grams, cloves 75 grams, star anise 25 grams, mace 25 grams, aniseed 200 grams and black pepper 125 grams. Garam means hot and masala means a mixture of spices. To prepare garam masala, place all the ingredients except anise seeds in a dry skillet and toast for about 5 minutes. Add aniseed at the end of the toasting process and continue toasting for about 1 to 2 minutes. We are toasting the components of the mix in order to release its flavors and aromas. Add all the whole spices into a clean coffee grinder or a spice grinder and start grinding the mixture. When the sound changes to a slightly smoother, grittier sound, your garam masala is done. Now the garam masala is ready and you can store this garam masala in airtight containers for about 2 to 3 months. Thank you for watching. My name is Sebastian and you're watching 360 TV.